Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're going to demystify some of the most common terms you'll encounter in the crypto space. So, whether you're a seasoned trader or a newbie, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First, let's start with some basic terms. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency, but now there are thousands of them, known as altcoins. Now, let's move on to some key terms you'll often hear in the crypto world. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, doubt. It's used to describe the spread of negative information about a cryptocurrency, often to manipulate its price. DIRE, or do your own research, is a reminder to always verify information before making investment decisions. Wrecked is a term borrowed from gaming that means being severely defeated. In crypto, it's used to refer to an investor who has suffered a significant loss. HODL is a misspelling of hold that has become a popular term in the crypto community. It refers to the strategy of holding onto a cryptocurrency rather than selling it, even when the market is volatile. Now that we've covered the basics, let's look at some more advanced terms. A whale is an individual or entity that holds a large amount of a particular cryptocurrency. Whales have enough funds to influence the market price. Mooning is used when the price of a cryptocurrency is experiencing a significant increase. It's based on the idea that the price is going to the moon. Pump and dump is a fraudulent practice where the price of a cryptocurrency is artificially inflated to attract investors, and then sold off by the fraudsters, leading to a price crash. A bag holder is an investor who holds a large quantity of a cryptocurrency that has decreased in value, often bought during a price peak. Finally, let's talk about two terms that have been making headlines recently: DeFi and NFTs. DeFi, or decentralized finance, refers to the use of blockchain technology to offer financial services without the need for traditional financial intermediaries like banks. NFT stands for non-fungible token. It's a type of digital asset that represents ownership of a unique item or piece of content, unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. And that's a wrap on our guide to crypto terminology. Remember, understanding these terms is key to navigating the crypto world. Stay tuned for more educational content on cryptocurrencies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Got any questions about crypto terminology? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content on the world of crypto. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning.